Hello again. Another game I've cloned successfully. Today's game is Flooded. It's a game of color. Given a grid of randomly assigned colors, the aim of the game is to color in the top left corner using the palette and turning the entire grid one color, like so. So you can imagine on MS Paint, this is similar to grabbing a paint bucket and coloring in this blob. Now I've got to color this entire grid in the number of moves provided. And if I'm unable to do so, the game taunts me. There we go. Come back to the main menu and we play it all over again. This is Flooded. Thank you for watching.